Hey Joe, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand that you want to know if number one, your custom code is needed for your funnel to work. No, that's not necessary at all. You can use your funnel as it is, and it should work perfectly fine. Now I understand that you are also having the order form of your funnel showing from side to side, which looks a bit spread out. So the reason why this could be happening is because you currently don't have a domain that is secured and verified on that particular funnel. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So if you go into the domain section of your funnel, or rather your account, you're going to see that you're using this two, and they're showing up as external, which means the um, outside domains, not with ClickFunnels. So both of them are unverified and they're not secured. So you do need to secure your domains and add that SSL so that both of them would work properly. And I'm going to attach an article that would help you to be able to add your custom domain, which is this two, into your account, and then you can add it up to your funnel. Okay, so that said, I'm going to go into your funnel as well, just so I can show you. If you check your settings, you would see that you're using the www.jcvmarketingassociates.com, which is one of the domains that we checked and is not verified and is not secured, which is why you're having this issue of your page looking distorted. So in recap, you should add the domain, add the SSL, verify it, secure it, and then clear your cache and your cookies and test the funnel again, and it should work properly. So that's all for now. Let me know if that works. Have a nice day.